In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI Text to Video Generator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a simple idea to a short AI-generated video using a clear workflow that's easy to repeat. First, open your Grok account. Give the page a moment to load fully so all controls appear correctly. Using a modern browser and a stable internet connection will help the generator run smoothly and reduce waiting time. Once you're in, click Imagine. This is the creative workspace where Grok turns text prompts into visuals. Think of it as your studio. You describe what you want and the tool builds a video from your words. Next, enter your prompt in the text field. A prompt is simply a clear description of the scene you want. For example, type, kids playing outside. You can keep it that simple or make it more descriptive to guide the style and action. Adding details like time of day, setting, mood, or motion can help, such as sunny afternoon in a neighborhood park, joyful mood, dynamic camera movement. If you have a visual style in mind, like cinematic, watercolor, or playful animation, adding that to your prompt can shape the look. The key is to be specific without overloading the sentence. Short, clear phrases often work best. Before you generate, look to the left side of the screen and make sure it's set to video. Grok can handle multiple output modes, and this switch ensures you're creating motion rather than a still image. If you see options for formats or aspect ratios, leave them at their defaults for now, unless you have a particular size in mind. The important part is that video is selected so your result moves. Now press the button to generate and wait while Grok processes your prompt. Rendering can take anywhere from a few seconds to a bit longer, depending on complexity and server load. During this time, avoid refreshing the page or navigating away. Just let the system work. You may see a progress indicator or a status message. This is normal. When it finishes, your video will appear based on the prompt you provided. That's the entire flow. Open your Grok account, click Imagine, enter your prompt, in this case, kids playing outside. Confirm the left panel is on video, then press generate and wait for your result. If you want even better outcomes next time, keep refining your wording with clear descriptions of action, setting, and style. With a bit of practice, you'll turn everyday ideas into compelling clips in minutes.